Now, we will do one more problem from the example. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 207 తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళైతే కనుక 6A ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కి ముందున్నటువంటి ఉదాహరణ 2. ఫైండ్ ద ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ ద ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ 3x minus 4y to the power of 7. 3x minus 4y to the power of 7 విస్తరణలోని 5వ పదాన్ని కనుక్కోండి. So the given problem can be written as 3x ఈ మైనస్ బదులుగా మనం ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ రాస్తున్నాము. So 3x minus 4y to the power of 7 is the given problem. Now comparing this problem with x plus a power n, we get x value is 3x, a value is minus 4y and n value is 7. We know that the r plus 1th term, that is nothing but the general term, sadharana padamu tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r into a power r ani manaku telusu. So keep this as equation number 1. Now the fifth term we have to find. So ఐదవ పదాన్ని t5 ను మనం కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే r ప్లేస్ లో ఎంత పెడితే మనకి 5 వస్తుంది, t5 వస్తుంది. r వాల్యూ మనకి 4 పెడితేనే మనకి 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి we are substituting r value is equal to 4 in the equation number 1, so that we will get t4 plus 1 is equal to t5 is equal to ncr. N value is 7, so 7c, r value is 4, so 7c4 into x. X value just now we have seen that 3x, so substituting this value here, 3x to the power of n minus r, 7 minus 4 into a power r, a value is minus 4y, so minus 4y to the power of r value is 4. Now, this 7c4 value can be found by using n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So, 7 n factorial means n value 7. So, 7 factorial by 7 minus r value 4. 7 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So, which is nothing but 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And 3 factorial, 4 factorial values we have written. So, after cancellation of these terms, we will get 7 into 5, which is nothing but 35. So, substituting the 7c4 value, which is nothing but 35, 3x to the power of 7 minus 4 is 3 and minus 4 to the power of 4. Since the power is even, this minus becomes plus. So, we will get 4 to the power of 4 and y to the power of 4. 35 into separating the power to each and individual term inside the bracket, we can write 3 cube into x cube, 4 to the power of 4 into y power 4. So 35 into 3 cube is nothing but 27, 4 power 4 is 256 and the variables are x cube into y power 4. So finally we will get t5 value is this value. So this is the t5, ఐదవ పదము. So we will do one more problem from the exercise 6A. Write down and simplify the sixth term in 2x by 3 plus 3y by 2 to the power of 9. 2x by 3 plus 3y by 2 to the power of 9 విస్తరణలో ఉన్నటువంటి 6వ పదాన్ని కనుక్కోండి మరియు సూక్ష్మీకరించండి. So the given problem is 2x by 3 plus 3y by 2 to the power of 9. Comparing this with x plus a power n, we will get the x value as 2x by 3 and the a value is 3y by 2 and n value is 9. We know that the general term tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r into a power r. So what we need to find is the sixth term, that is t6. So how much I should put here in the place of r to get t6? So r place lo manamu 5 పెట్టినప్పుడే మనకి t6 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి the r value is 5. So substituting all these values in equation number 1, we get t5 plus 1, which is nothing but t6 is equal to ncr. N value is 9, c, r value 5 into x to the power x. What is x? 2x by 3 to the power of n minus r. N value is 9 minus r value 5. So 9 minus 5 into a power. What is a? A value is 3y by 2. So writing 3y by 2 to the power of r. R value is 5. So 9c5 into 2x by 3 to the power of 9 minus 5 value is 4 and 3y by 2 to the power of 5. So 9c5 can be found by using the NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So writing all the terms and simplifying, you will get the value of 9c5 as 126. So substituting 9c5 value as 126 and writing separately the powers to each and every individual term. ఈ పవర్ 4 అనేది ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి మూడిటికి వర్తిస్తుంది కాబట్టి సెపరేట్ గా రాసినట్లయితే మనకి 126 ఇంటూ 2 power 4 into x power 4 by 3 power 4 into similarly ఈ పవర్ 5 అనేది ఈ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి మూడిటికి వర్తిస్తుంది కాబట్టి సెపరేట్ గా రాసినట్లయితే 3 power 5 into y power 5 by 2 power 5. So 126 into, you cancel this 2 power 4 and in this 2 power 5 we will be remaining with one more 2 and 3 power 5 lo 3 power 4 ni cancel cheste will be remaining 1 3 here. So x power 4 and y power 5 and if you cancel this 126 by 2, finally you will get T6 value as 189 into x power 4 into y power 5. So this is the sixth term in the given expansion. ఇదే మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి 6వ పదము.